Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And today I wanted to show you an idea that I've shared several times before, but I wanted to do it again with our embossing folders that are wider now and the thick dynamic embossing folders. And this is a fun and easy way to add a little bit of pizzazz to your holiday party buffet tables or even your dinner tables, and that's embossing just these little cocktail napkins. I mean, so cute. I'm using the quilt top first, and I've got my platform cutting plate, and I have the folder, and I'm just going to put this little cocktail napkin that I got at a big box store and layer that up, and we're going to run it through the Big Shot. And once you start doing this, I mean, you can do 25, 30, 50 napkins in no time. It's so easy to do, and it has such a cute and pretty effect. I mean, look at that. Okay, so that's the quilt top. I mean, you could use several different kinds of embossing folders just depending on what look you want. I'm going to try the 10 tile dynamic embossing folder, and so let me get my cocktail napkin here and put it inside, and then take this and let's roll it through, and let's see how this one looks as it comes out. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, all right, let's try the subtle and see what that looks like. Just take this. This is in another dynamic folder. Put it inside, and let's just roll it through and see what we get this time. Oh, that's pretty. It's a subtle look, but it's beautiful. It just gives it a texture, makes it look really fancy. Okay, I'm going to try the simple stripes. So I'm going to need my bottom cutting plate again, a napkin. I'm going to try doing 2 at a time. I used to do this, and I just can't remember how well it embossed, but let's try 2 napkins at a time, okay? All right, let me get my top cutting plate. Let's roll it through. Okay, let's see what it does. Yep, it worked. 2 at a time. Just get a pretty striped look. Okay, so there's an idea for you to dress up your holiday buffet or party table. Just really pretty, and everyone will know where you got your napkins, and whew, you can say, I did it. All right. Okay, everyone, if you have any questions, let me know. Give this a try. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.